everyone! Welcome to today's video where I'll guide you through a simple 5-minute yoga routine designed specifically for beginners. This easy flow will help you kickstart your day feeling fresh and energized. So grab your mat and let's get started. Alright, let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position on your mat. Cross your legs, sit up nice and tall, and place your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Big inhale and exhale. Now let's move into a gentle neck stretch. Slowly drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold it here for a moment, and if it feels good, you can gently place your right hand on top of your head to deepen the stretch. Breathe in and out. Bring your head back to center and repeat on the other side. Drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Maybe use your left hand to deepen the stretch. Inhale and exhale. Next, we'll transition into a seated side stretch. Place your right hand on the mat beside you, and as you inhale, sweep your left arm up and over your head, reaching towards the right. Feel the stretch along the left side of your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Let's switch sides. Left hand down, right arm reaches up and over. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Now let's come on to our hands and knees for cat-cow stretches. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone towards the sky. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest. This is cat pose. Let's flow through this a few times at your own pace. Inhale cow, exhale cat. Feel the movement along your spine. Next, we'll gently come into child's pose. Bring your big toes together, knees apart, and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here, letting your body relax and sink into the pose. Finally, let's end our practice with a moment of gratitude. Slowly come back to a seated position. Place your hands over your heart and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Think of one thing you're grateful for today. Inhale and exhale. And there you have it. A quick 5-minute yoga routine to start your day with positivity and energy. Remember, this is your practice. Feel free to return to this routine anytime. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Namaste.